So, you want to install Roblox TS? For this tutorial, you will need to install Node.js. You will also need to install Visual Studio Code. Make sure to select these options to follow along. Run npm install roblox ts-g. Create a new folder anywhere. This will be your project. Right-click anywhere inside the folder and click Open with Code. Open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Engrave or through View Terminal. Remember this, you'll use the terminal a lot. Type obxtsc in it and press Enter. These settings are fine. Install the Roblox TS extension and the Rojo extension. This screen will come up. Scroll down and press Manage it for me. Congratulations, you've set up your project. To get the code into Roblox, press these two buttons. Find Rojo and show it if it's disabled. In this menu, press Connect to begin syncing the code. Congratulations, you're ready to begin coding.